Hello everyone, my name is Devlin and you're tuned in right now to a little bit of a tutorial. So I thought today I'd be showing you guys how to tempo map in Logic Pro X. This is actually something that's really cool and a really cool effect, especially if you want to wow your friends with your music. Be like, whoa, how'd you speed it up and slow it down without having to do with like live instruments? There's a really easy way to do this. So here I have this track. We're going to go ahead and get out of that for a second and we're just going to take a look at the track. So as you can see here, I have highlighted here about 16 bars. So let's hear the song with the tempo on. Okay, so you can hear it kind of gets a little slow, but it's going to pick up speed, so in the end, so it just smoothly goes into this transition and it just kind of picks up speed there. So with that being said, let's take a look. So first things you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go and select what measure you want. So I did this one almost every other measure or every single measure. I went up by at least 2 BPM all the way up until I reached about here, being at measure 44. And I went one by one. So how you simply do this, and I will go ahead and delete all this. So first things you're going to need to do is create an anchor. So our first anchor is at the start of the song, starting at 124 BPM. Now, because I want to make sure this is I want 16 bars of this, I'm then going to make this a second one here, 124 BPM, and hit enter. Now, it's really important to keep this noted. So I'm going to go back to measure 33 here, and I'm going to start over and simply go plus button right here and put in, we're going to start at, what should we start at? I could start at 108 BPM. We'll start at 108. Why not? Since it's 16 bars, we're going to go up by one each time. So I'm going to click, add 109. But you don't want to do it again twice. You got to make sure you click on the measure beforehand or else it's going to mess up. So I'm going to delete that, plus 110. Now this is one method of doing it. You can simply do it from your dash right here over in the section by simply clicking here, and usually you'll have your events first, you'll have markers and then go to tempo, or you could always do a drop down and simply do a push bar here. Hold down command on each time you want to bring it up one. And you could do it this way. You could do it manually by clicking and dragging. It really is up to your preference, but there are two main ways of doing this. And then once you do this, it creates a really, really cool effect where it speeds up the song or slows down the song in certain sections. This could be very useful, especially if you want to have maybe like a slower part within a song, or maybe there's a section that might sound a little offbeat because everything else is very slow. It really, really depends. So that being said, we're going to keep doing this. So 121 to 122, eventually until I get to 123. So you can see here my automation on the tempo starting at 108. So we're going to go ahead and give myself 2 measure breather. It's going to follow along on the side here, so you can watch as you do it too to ensure that it goes correctly. And there you go. That's basics of how you can do some tempo map changing within Logic Pro X. I hope this tutorial was very helpful and you found it pretty interesting for this cool little trick. I know this is a very, very short video, but don't worry, more will come. Anyways, feel free to subscribe and like, and let me know what you think of these videos, because I definitely plan to do more. Anyways, thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you later.